Despite the unprecedented changes we are all experiencing, Voortman is committed to assisting our customers with their planned investments. Steel fabricators and manufacturers must be supported through changing times. Already, many Voortman customers that reached out have been surprised with our ability to effectively meet remotely and discuss planned facility upgrades. All Voortman employees continue to collaborate as safely and effectively as possible, from sales managers, dealers, engineering, and project managers. We all have the ability to meet remotely to discuss equipment capabilities and layouts using Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business, TeamViewer, and other technology already in place internally at Voortman. When providing Voortman with 3D models representing 10% of your annual output, we can accurately identify the ideal combination of equipment to meet your processing needs while fitting perfectly into your existing facility or greenfield plans. Voortman's full line of automated steel processing equipment can be assembled in unlimited configurations. After the equipment combination is identified, we can produce a 2D and 3D rendering of the system in your building. The virtual reality walkthrough is viewable on your desktop or through an Oculus VR headset. Fully immerse yourself in your new investment before it's even built, or use it to show your company, team, and customers the future of your business. Now, when meeting face-to-face just isn't possible, we extend this opportunity to you. Contact your Voortman sales representative to start planning your future improvements and evaluate your options moving forward. We are here to help.